Hi, first graders. This week we have been talking about opinion writing. So, yesterday, in your opinion booklet, you should have done the second two pages. One of them is your favorite type of game, and then the second one was your favorite type of sport. So, on Monday, you did in your opinion booklet favorite type of pet and favorite TV show. So, yesterday I showed you an example of my favorite movie, which was Finding Nemo. So let's look at our structure again. So our first sentence is our opening. In my opinion, I think or I feel, that is your feeling sentence, and then you state your opinion. So I think that everybody should watch Finding Nemo. Then you have two reasons. So in an opinion writing, you're great if you have an opinion, but we want to know why you feel that way. So I said that I feel this way because Dory is very funny, and that's my first reason why I like Finding Nemo. My second reason is because all the fish are cute. So if you have reasons to support your opinion, then people will be more likely to listen to what you have to say. So it also makes your story a lot more interesting. Now, yesterday you wrote about your favorite game and your favorite type of sport. Today I have done an example of my favorite type of game. So I said, in my opinion, I think everyone should play, and then I stated my opinion. So I think that everybody should play Monopoly. Then you have to have your two reasons why I think that everybody should play Monopoly. So I feel this way because you get to buy things with money. That's my first reason. Then I have my third sentence, which is my second reason. It says, I also think this because you get $200 every time you pass go. Okay, so that states my opinions and then gives two reasons. And then next week, we're going to add a conclusion to the end as well. But if you state your opinion and then you give our reasons, it tells you why you feel that way. This week, I want you to practice adding some details to your story. So, if we're talking about pets, and I say that my favorite type of pet is a dog, instead of just saying you can train them, maybe say I can train them to sit or I can train them to roll over. Adding more details to your story will make it a lot more interesting. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys have written when you turn your packets in on Monday. See you tomorrow.